Hello! In this video tutorial, I will tell you why you should not build your risk register in Excel. Let's start with what is a risk register. It is a centralized tool for monitoring and managing risks throughout a project or organizational risk management process. Risk registers are most often built and manually maintained in an Excel spreadsheet that a project or risk manager tries to keep up to date. There are three main issues with manual risk management in Excel. First, the risk-related data is not up to date. Second, human errors creep in when we are entering data. And finally, there is a complete lack of audit trail, meaning that we do not know what has happened to risks throughout their lifetime. These issues may result in incorrect risk prioritizations, leading to critical risks being ignored. This is why we recommend creating the risk register in Jira with the help of dedicated risk management plugins like the Risk Manager Plus. Let's look into how you can automate your risk management in Jira by setting up a dedicated risk management app to meet your risk management needs. First, go to Atlassian Marketplace and find the Risk Management app to build a risk register in Jira with. In this tutorial, we will show you can set up your risk register using the SoftComply Risk Manager Plus app on Jira Cloud. You can try out all the Jira Cloud apps for 1 month for free. Once you have chosen the app, you can start setting it up to correspond to your risk management process. Start by choosing a template that is closest to the risk model you want to build. Then modify the template to match your process. For example, you can customize the risk model by specifying the number of risk assessment steps. You can also change the names of these risk iterations as you wish. Next, you can also modify the risk characteristics used for assessing risks. Here you can change the names of the characteristics, their levels, and descriptions. You can also drag and drop these levels into a correct sequence. Did you know that there is an information security risk management module in the Risk Manager Plus app? This module has a dedicated InfoSec dashboard with ISO 27001 checklist where you can monitor your progress of meeting the ISO 27001 requirements. In the checklist, you can find all ISO 27001 requirements, detailed explanations on how to meet them, and add links to documents and Jira projects for any evidence of meeting the requirements. The Information Security Risk module comes with a template for an asset-based risk register, where you can identify all your information assets and their descriptions, add risks related to each of them, and pick relevant ISO 27001 controls to mitigate these risks. The ISO 27001 controls are provided within the app, so you do not have to insert them manually yourself. You can view the detailed description and the control group of each control as defined in the ISO 27001 when working in the risk register. You can easily navigate from the risk register to the controls repository, which is a separate module called an object register. Here you can add additional data to the controls regarding their applicability to your organization's information security policy, as well as any source information as needed. Once all the controls have been applied to risks, you can move back to the information security dashboard to check the traceability and coverage of all assets, risks, and controls. After having reviewed your information security risks, you can automatically generate the statement of applicability. You can find the Risk Manager Plus app from Atlassian Marketplace and try it out for a month for free. You can also schedule a dedicated demo call to learn more about the app. The link to schedule a demo call is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and looking forward to talking to you soon again.